जय हिंद दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय इंग्लिश स्पोकन ब्लॉग. सो in this video means daily diary routine, I welcome to you. And just I wake up in the morning almost 4 a.m. Okay, so I would like to show my daily life routine. What is the daily routine, how to practice in English so that you will able to improve English every single day with me. And until unless you mistake, you won't be able to speak English fluently and confidently. So earlier time I used to mistake every single day, but right now I am mistaking, but not more mistaking. And right now I am speaking English very well. And just I would like to show you my textbook, means English book, which is a best book for learning English according to me. There are all structure available in their book, and as well as some vocabulary you will get and everything, so you can improve English through this book. So you can see this is a very best book, and its name a spoken English and practice book. Its name is practice book, and it's book made by the Ajay sir, Persona Institute for Learning English. Ajay sir actually belong from Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. He is a director of Persona Institute. So you can purchase his classes and you can learn English, and as well as you can buy his book. So in this particular way, I have to practice every single day. And you can see this is my room. Okay, this room I got from the company, through the company, and just I am going to take the bath, and as well as I will got ready, and after that I will go company. So every whatever I am doing today, so everything I will share you. And in this particular we have to practice. Okay, so let's go. So hello guys, we are going to the walk, means I will exercise and I will shoot the video. Actually, this is my stand, mobile stand, and I shoot the video for using it. By using it, not for using it, use करने के लिए. And you can see it's very fine right now. Okay, so let's go, and we are going on roof in chat area. So this is my guest house. Everybody is just sleeping right now. Everybody doesn't up, wake up, not walk up, wake up in the morning. And some of the people wake up in the morning, like me. Okay, so you can see this is the one person is exercising here. Oh, so let's go. And after exercising, I will go take the bath. I will go for the taking the bath to take the bath. So, okay. So guys, this is a Dabur Lal Dant Manjan, means, and I will exchange on the brush, and then I rubbing on my teeth. Okay, so you can see the one old person is rubbing the teeth. So this is a vast area, and nowadays we are practicing daily routine. So we have to follow, and I have to explore all about my life. Okay, so I would like to meet you, the one best, my friend. No best bad person. Okay, but I would like to show you. You can see. So you can see, and as well as
I would like to share the one best of the thing. There are four steps for learning English. The first is you don't have to go deeply grammar, and secondly, whatever you are looking in your life in daily life, so you have to explain about that thing. And as well as fourth is you have to shameless person. You have to become a shameless person. And fourth thing is practice. You have to do necessary. You have to practice daily day. Daily day means every day. Means every single day we have to practice, so that you will able to improve our English skill. So let's go. And just after brushing on my teeth, and then I will go to the take bath. Okay, so let's go. So guys, you can see right now engage the toothpaste. No, it's a no paste. It's a उधरा को क्या बोलते हैं? What is the English? Powder. It's a paste powder. So right now I am rubbing on my teeth. So finally, friends, we cleaned my mouth, and just I am cleaning a tongue. Right now I am cleaning my mouth, and you can see with water, washing the mouth. So finally it's complete, and just we are going to the take the bath. Okay, after that we'll go company. Okay, no, after that I have to have a breakfast. I have to eat a breakfast. So let's go.
So finally guys, I have untied my cloth, okay, you see, and he's a Jai Krishna Bhai, means brother. So it's my latrine area, just I will practice in this way. Okay, so I have to take a sabun, means cleaner, it's a detergent. Okay, it's a very small little bit. So finally guys, I have come in the bathroom, and just I am going to take the bath, and as well as today I have to explain about it while taking the bath. So you can see this is a bucket, and there are two buckets and one mug, means I don't know what is the English name, but it's a new vocab. So I will try to about it English word. And this is the tap. Tap is right now. Just I am going to turn on it. Then my bucket will be fulfilled with the water. So you can see right now I am turning on it. So right now I am taking the bath. You can see right now I am applying the sabun detergent. This is a body wash bar. So right now I am rubbing a body wash bar on my body. It's in this name. So friends, you can see right now I am rubbing the sabun on my hair. This is my hairstyle. Wow. Yeah. Woo. This is my towel. So right now I am drying on my body. I am drying my body. Okay. Wow. Oh, finally clean. Okay, let's go outside. Wow. Here I won't get in chat. So finally friends, I have taken the bath, I am got ready, and now I am getting ready. I have got ready, now I am getting not ready, I have got ready. So there are almost 5 bread and I am going to for eating it. Okay. So this is a Marathi person. You can see black person, but you don't know. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so we are going to the breakfast. Okay, just I would like to show you my kitchen area. I don't know where remote button. Oh. There are 2 and 3 cook, and almost you can see these all are my brother. Where is my milk? My milk has broken. Oh, yeah, oh nonsense. Okay. So he's eating and he's eating also, and I will eat. So just you can see. So let's. So guys, look here. This is the paratha. Actually, I don't know what is the meaning of word meaning of paratha. Okay. So right now I am eating it. It's very tasty. You would like to eat it? Okay, no problem. Right now I am having breakfast. Okay, it's the English name. So finally guys, I had breakfast. Okay, so we are going to the company and almost I will take time 20 minutes in walking. Right now you can see I am going with my food. From my food with my food. So everything you can speak. Okay. So almost you can see there are 3 persons. So hello bro. How are you?
Fine, bro, fine.
You speak English?
Yes, bro, yes.
Oh, so from which college? Which
I am
institute?
from school.
You are right now. You are in school.
Yes.
In which class?
In class 10.
10th.
Yes.
Right now, in this year, you will exam
Board exam.
board exam. So all subjects have you completed?
Yes.
Wow.
Division is
Third division. Speak third division.
third division.
Merit list.
No.
Yeah.
Result not come.
Oh. Okay, so you can see.
We are waiting for result.
So let's go.
What's your YouTube channel name?
English spoken blog.
Okay.
Okay. You speak English.
Yeah.
You are studying in. No. I belong from Bihar, but currently I am working in the Sapoji Plonji company. I will put that word I find you know. So let's go.
Thank you.
So guys, I have arrived in front of my company. So you can see this is my company. It's the name IUCL project is built it. Means IUCL project has been built it. बनाया जा रहा has been built it. It's right now I am practicing not let this IUCL project is being built it. So you can see, and in this way I have to practice every day, and day to day I don't upload a video. So sorry for this because I don't have more time, and I have to do by going the company, and I have to work in the company. After that I have to upload and I have to make a video. Okay, and then I will upload. So leave this matter. Sorry for this, and one day I will make a video regularly, properly, and every single day. So this is my daily routine. Okay, so in this way I have to practice daily life session. So please like and subscribe, share this video because right now I need a subscriber. So that's why, and you will subscribe my channel, so I will get a motivation through you. Okay, so I will meet you another video, another blog with new topic. Till then, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, bye bye, take care.